Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 72. Has this been heard, O Parth, with single pointed mind? Has the distraction caused by your ignorance been dispelled, O Dhananjaya?
Chapter 18, Shloka 72. Kaschid etashrutam partha tvayaigakrena chetasa kachit ajnana sammogaha pranashtaste dhananjaya.
Chapter 18, Shloka 72. In this Shloka, Krishna inquires whether Arjuna has understood what he has expounded in the 18 chapters. Krishna has no doubt about it, but by putting a leading question to Arjuna, he is giving him a chance to say how much he has benefited. Have you been listening with an attentive mind? Meaning that if you have been listening attentively, you must have understood sufficiently the logic in the things, beings, and happenings around and your relationship with them. Has your distraction of thought caused by ignorance been dispelled? The false values which Arjuna had entertained, which distorted his vision of the world and his judgment of the affairs. The fundamental cause of all confusions was his own non-apprehension of reality or ignorance. When this ignorance is removed by the apprehension of reality called knowledge, the entire byproducts of ignorance are all eliminated in one sweep. This was the logic behind the teacher's inquiry. If Arjuna has understood correctly, he will no more hesitate to meet the challenges as they reach him. This was the intention of Lord Krishna. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.